Hey guys, this is Chris here with the Full Send Traders, and today we have another trading recap. I wanted to go over a few things such as my pre-market analysis, what I kind of mentioned beforehand, which is all in my Telegram, and also I wanted to cover why there was only one good setup during New York AM session, and it's the one setup that I did take. But let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're gonna go over to NASDAQ. What did I look for? What was I anticipating? Well, anytime we have a large sweep of, let's say, some larger sell side right here. So we took out this daily low, which is also a weekly low. We go over to the daily time frame. We're inside of this huge range. We basically broke down, took out that low, and we're expecting a retracement. That's normal. It happens. Going over to the 30-minute, we had this large volume imbalance. Price reacted bearishly as I anticipated initially. Going over to the 15-minute, we swept out this high. And overall, this range is coming into a premium. We measure from the low to the high. And let's fix this. Right here, you can see we're coming into a premium. So all of these factors, us coming into the volume imbalance, we took all of the buy side, which is this high. We swept out this high. We're coming into a premium. All these things are giving us a reason to be short. Okay, going down to the lower time frame, right at market open, what did we have? We had a sweep of that buy side. Now, what was I anticipating? Well, I liked all of these low resistance lows right here. I also liked the London lows. We didn't quite reach them, but let's go into our execution. So here was my execution. We had a 30-second inversion. This candle zipped straight through it. We're going to put our stop right above the inversion, and we're going to target some of this internal liquidity. As we chopped around a little bit more, I decided to just take the trade-off, which was the right choice. Looking at our session itself, from 9:30 to 10:30, we did not move whatsoever in terms of expansion. It was a good choice to get in and out. Anytime we're taking a trade from 9:30 to about 9:40, 9:45, we're always going to want to move to break even quick because it could absolutely wreck us. It could come right back and stop us out. There's no reason to have risk on when you don't need to. If price is going to run, it's going to run when it comes to the open. So that was the short that I took. Very easy, very quick. Now, what can we expect for the rest of the week, right? So we didn't quite respect the overall bearish narrative. If we go over to the hourly, we're actually delivering pretty bullish now. And let me mark this out in a lighter color. And then here we have the 1 hour. Let's see if we have anything on the 4 hour. No, so the new week opening gap, we came down below, we respected it, seemed to trade up above it. We're now respecting it on more of a bullish basis. We have that hourly fair value gap right here that is supporting price to go higher. We have some highs in here. And this happens, guys. I mean, we swept out a major liquidity point. It's not always going to continue in one direction. So what can we expect for the rest of the week? Based on this hourly, we should trade up to all of these highs right here. And best case scenario is we leave them for tomorrow or Wednesday to be swept out. Because we had such a large day, there's a good chance tomorrow can be mostly just consolidation. And Wednesday will be our final factor in us actually delivering to those highs. But again, we're coming back into this crazy range that we've been in for this entire month. Even previous to this, I mean, we've been in a range since October. So we just got to play this liquidity. Best case scenario, we leave these highs. We use them as a target during our New York game session stream. My market analysis as it happens. Over here, I have my Telegram. I mentioned that we had delivered to the lows already. We had our distribution, which I had been expecting for quite a while. Have lots of opportunities this week. Best to take Monday and Tuesday slow. That's a key point. You can see this morning We had tons of consolidation. It's okay to trade. You want to lower your size, you want to trade less. That's the best case scenario. After CPI, we should be getting some better price action overall, some better delivery, some better follow through. But this was 15-minute, the 30-second, our execution. If you guys want to see any of that, that's going to be down below in the description. You'll find my Telegram. But thank you guys for stopping by. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.